Well, hello again, YouTube family. Today we've got a $10 umbrella storage table that got picked up for $10 at a yard sale. And we're going to make it into a nursery diaper carrier. As you can see, it had stripped screws, table's cracked and had gouges in it. And it was really rough as far as the smoothness of the box. It wasn't put together real good, and plus the sanding on it was awful. Here I've sanded it down piece by piece and started out with 180 grit and ended up with 220 grit, and decided to leave the grooves of the table unsanded so they would stand out a little bit more along with the knots in the wood. It was a little time consuming, but it only took me 3 days to sand it down, stain it with golden oak. Here I wet the surface of it down, getting the sanding dust off of it to see what kind of darkness and texture that I had in the wood, and I thought it would take golden oak stain pretty good. And there's another picture of what I thought it would look like, but the inlay, or not the inlay, but the little grooves here where it's dark didn't stand out as bad, and that's what I was worried about. I wanted them to blend in a little bit. So after I decided on what stain I was going to use, I decided that golden oak would make this pine wood a decent look for a nursery. It looked kind of old, but not antique-ish old. And this is a finished product of the staining, and 3 coats of linseed oil. And I think it turned out pretty decent. This table could be sold for at least $250. And I'm going to do this for my daughter that's expecting my first grandchild. And I'm really tickled with it, and I just wanted her to have something nice made by her daddy. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know what else to say about it, but I think it turned out really nice. You guys like the video, give me a like and subscribe, and I appreciate it. And I'll try not to be so long on the next video. You guys come back and see me.